Number 11, pro forma action items. There are 3 issues surrounding action items. The kind of action items, who's owning them, and are you following up? Let's go through them step by step. Number 1, the team picks unsmart action items. Bill Wake coined the SMART acronym for reasonable action items: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-boxed. If the team picks unsmart action items, though, it sets itself up for failure. Example, we want to change the bonus scheme of the company. Good luck achieving that goal during the next sprint. Number 2, there's no owner. No one was chosen to be responsible for the delivery of an action item. If the team is supposed to fix issue X, probably everyone will rely on his or her teammates to handle it. Make someone responsible instead. Number 3, no follow-up. The team does not check the status of the action items from the previous retrospectives. The sibling of autonomy is accountability. If you are not following up on what you wanted to improve before, why care about picking action items in the first place? By the way, at least one high-level item is supposed to be a part of the next sprint and should be on your sprint board as well.